y'all feeling? I hope y'all feeling okay. I hope you're doing good. I hope y'all healthy and safe. Me, myself, I am doing okay. I know it's been a long time since I posted. It's been a long time since I posted a long video on YouTube. Y'all, I'm working on it. I am trying my best. But lately, life been lifing, and I've been working, trying to get to the money. And I've been so tired and too tired to get up early enough to record my content. But y'all, I promise I'm getting back to it, I promise. But I did want to make and post this video because I recorded this content for y'all. And I wanted to share it with y'all. I didn't want it to go to waste. So better late than never, right? So this is us preparing. We won tickets to the Monster Truck Show Live, the Hot Wheels show. And this is us getting ready. So, of course, I had to do their hair because they had those braids in that y'all been seeing since Easter. Please don't judge me, y'all. I braided their hair a couple of days before Easter, and I'm just taking them out. Now, usually when I braid their hair, the goal is to leave them in for 4 weeks, but not 6, 7, 8 weeks, y'all. But bear with me. I'm a mom of 4. I'm always busy. I'm always doing stuff. And I was just procrastinating and pushing it off. But it was no way I was going to let them go to the show with their hair not done. So, as you can see, I took both of their braids out. Their father helped me. Y'all, I am making progress because he usually only helped take the beads out. And that's it. But, y'all, he took half of JJ hair out. So, that is progress. We is getting somewhere, y'all. But anyway, y'all see my baby crying. She hates the blow dryer. Shout out to Latara. She sent me this blow dryer that she uses, and she said that it is completely pain-free. Like, her daughter don't cry at all. So I need to invest in that blow dryer. When I get it, I'm going to show y'all. But anyway, so I had to blow dry them out. And the same way y'all see me section and detangle their hair during their wash, I have to do the same thing when I blow dry. Section all the scalp, all the hair, detangle the hair, and then blow dry. And that's it. So that's all. And another thing I wanted y'all to notice, how JJ and Leah had 2 types of hair. So JJ hair is more for like coarse 4C hair, and it takes forever to get wet. It's annoying. Like, I got to sit there and try to saturate her hair for like 2 to 3 minutes before I can add any product to start washing it and stuff. It's annoying. Now, I can't really complain much because JJ came a long way. If y'all don't know already, my baby had got cradle cap really bad. And mind you, I didn't know what cradle cap was. She was my 4th child, and I had never heard of cradle cap because I never experienced it. So her hair just started falling out about a couple months after she was born. And I'm talking about, y'all, it fell out all the way to the scalp. Like, my baby looked like a baby bird. She was bald. First, it came out in the back, and she had a boosie fade. Then it came out on the side. She had a temp. Y'all, she went through the whole 9. So, I'm happy. I don't even care what texture her hair is. I'm just so glad that it grew back, and my baby got some hair now. Now, Leah, on the other hand, her hair is more of a softer, curlier pattern. So, I'm not sure what that's called. I know JJ's is 4C, but I'm not sure. If y'all know, let me know in the comments. But it's more of a softer, curlier, but it's still like a bushy, natural type of hair. But her hair is like really soft. So, yeah, I had to get them both washed and blown out. And, y'all, I never do their hair in the same day. So, to take both of their hair out and then have to wash both of their hair, blow dry and detangle both of their hair, and then still style it too, y'all, it was a task. But I got it done. And then, of course, it was Saturday, so Leah had gymnastics. So, took my baby to gymnastics. That's her favorite thing in the world. And I'm going to just let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I added some pictures and clips. Bye, y'all. Oh, yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, follow, and all of that good stuff.
Go, Leah. Hey, hey, hey. You like your food, Mama?
No, yeah.
Zion. We got nachos, chicken tenders, and fries. Save me some. I want some of them. And then Leah didn't want no food, but she got popcorn. They got Cheetos in it. And we just waiting for the show to start. I know it's.
Oh my God!
hope y'all enjoyed the video. I appreciate each and every one of you who are subscribed, who follow me on my platforms, who like, who comment, who share my content. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all are like family to me, and I mean that. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much.